Alright, this is also right for making fishing simple because my hands are dirty and Trent's are not, so I'll get his dirty. So I will be doing showing you how to gut this little brook trout. Sadly, swallowed the hook, so we kept them. He's too small to flay, so I'm gonna show him how to get him. This will have more blood and guts than the flame, so be careful. So first, you go right beyond the head. Keep on cutting. Take all the way through. Okay, it's stuck on something. Once you're all the way through, just want to take the head, put it in a trash bag. I'm gonna go up to like where peas and poops out of. Be careful not to puncture any of the guts because you'll be in for an unpleasant surprise. Now, don't look if you're squeamish. That's it. This is the only amount of guts it had.
Small. Don't forget to pop the little main artery in its back. And take the knife down along it.
So if you see this, see that dark line? That's the blue line. So just want to take your finger, your thumb, just kind of start pushing out that blood. You just want to clean that out. Then, hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to cook a trout that has been gutted. So first off, you're just going to need these simple ingredients. Voila. You just need, this is my favorite recipe, use butter, lemon, Old Bay, and tin foil. It's very simple. Step, you take some of the aluminum foil. It's about that much. This isn't a big fish. This is probably more than necessary, but oh well. Better have more than have less. Better have more to begin with than not have enough. So you take your foil like that. Oh, sorry, I gotta get it. And then a butter knife. So what you will want to do is take some of the oh so good butter and start spraying it out where the fish will be. Be careful not to make any holes like I did right there. It should be fine though. Just be more gentle than I was. So once you got that down, your first layer of butter, you want to take some Old Bay. I like Old Bay. So I'm gonna put a good amount on. I have right here. Just gonna take a corner. So underneath, just try to put some of that tin foil. Or I'll even just put it right on top. Put some more Old Bay. Old Bay makes fish taste good. I'm just gonna lay them right on the butter. I'm then going to take a little bit of butter, put my fingers like this, and take it and put it on the inside of the trout. Then, more Old Bay. Take some lemon. Drop, 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 drop. All right there. I think you guys know what I'm gonna do next. Just take this butter, kind of split it up. Take like little pieces and just place it over that trout. And I'm not sure if you guys know what's gonna come next. Some more old bag. Just 2 more drops of lemon. So then what you're gonna do, you're gonna want to fold it up. Like this. Make sure the ends are tight. Yes. Then you want to go to your oven. You want to have it preheated to 450. You're gonna put it in 6 minutes. Then just gonna very careful with this hot. I'm actually gonna, because this guy's a little bit small, I'm just gonna do. Alright, the good trout is done. Cooking. Ooh. Yeah. That's my fingers. Let's just take a look. Oh, that's flaking off too. Let's put this guy on the plate. The trout fillet. This will be my first. This is a brook trout. And drop some of that liquid. Alright guys, 2 trout are done. The gutted trout, oh that looks good. The trout fillet, which both look so good. I can't even pick the trout fillet up without having it like break apart. Well, I'm gonna eat both of them and tell you which one I think is my favorite. Okay, so let's just go in here. This is like falling right off the skin. A few bones because I'm the best player. That's really good. Really good. Got like great flavor. Good seasoning, and I can good seasoning too. I think give some water to it. Just keep it here. Let's try the gutted trout. It's good. Yeah, pretty good. There we go. Got like all them trout meat. There's the bones of the trout. So, here we go. I don't eat the skin, some people do. It's just not my preference. Oh, there's fin. Don't want to eat those. Another fin. That's also really good. So, to wrap this video up, my thoughts. Rainbow trout, really good. Brook trout didn't have that much of a flavor, really. kind of tastes a little bit bland, but I've also put them in the freezer for like 2 or 3 days. They were in the freezer for like 2 days in the fridge to thaw. So overall, both really good. This is really simple and quick way to cook trout. So thank you for watching.